One of the main problems that we have when we teach at engineering course is the level of mathematics that is required to the students. The level of abstraction that is required is so high that we need to resort to software-based tools in order to help students to understand the basic concepts.
The MATLAB code is open, and from the teaching point of view, this has enabled students to better understand how the algorithms work, and this has certainly improved the quality of teaching. Therefore, as a result, in my university, we are absolutely happy of this new way that this interaction enables with the students. So actually the lectures are not static, but now are interactive thanks to the MATLAB environment.
During lab activities, students use Simulink to design, simulate and implement digital communication systems on Raspberry Pi boards, which are used as low-cost digital signal processors. Thanks to the tight connection between Simulink and Raspberry Pi boards, students can learn the basics of software-defined radio and implement actual systems with no need of programming skills. I think that the Lincence campus is very, very important for teaching because students have access to online courses on MATLAB and Simulink, hence they can face experimental activities with the needed background.
As a student of Politecnico di Milano, we have the campus license that allows us to install MATLAB on our portable computer, and having a MATLAB on our personal devices allows us to work when we are in the university or also when we are at home. As a student association, thanks to MATLAB, we can design and evaluate the performance of our rockets and aircraft.
I am using the campus license to propose student practical lectures. These works that are inspired to automotive use cases are intended for delving into the practical aspects of the theory that I am presenting during formal lectures. I am convinced that by learning leading-edge tools and by delving into the practical aspects of the theory, the students will have the chance of shaping their CV in such a way that it will become more appealing for prospective employers.
In economics and finance, we use a lot MATLAB in teaching and in research. Most of the students find a job immediately after their graduation thanks to the skill they acquired in MATLAB. More and more firms and financial institutions are looking for graduates that are able to combine good knowledge of economics and finance with the mastering of MATLAB.